So I'm if you always die your foot godmother.
Stone, you can't always there my foot. Remember say you have your own life to live, brother.
I have my life because of you.
I save it, yes. But I create or keep your life, Stone. I him you forgive all of your thanks them, brother.
And boy I move to grime now. So I'm fixed up half to go on.
Make a foolish move over there, brother. Right now I have to tuck in and I restructure my approach.
I know foolish move that godmother. I have to make some boy know say I still born fighter.
Stone a foolish move that. That could have cost me my life, brother. Cause I emotions me did a move off of. That remember say my life me I try to protect me, you know. But done with them there, you know, brother.
Them boy they know them a periwinkle. Them can't touch you.
Why you listen to me, Stone? Because this is important. People get knocked in the game every day. You see loyalty? That rare. Greed turn good friends in an enemy, brother. Don't ever drop your guard.
My God, always up my mother.
You know you're not pray that thing is serious, brother.
Godmother, serious like hurricane season.
Stone, you know say it is of one serious hatred for you. It's like you feel like you make you forward and you just get the crumbs.
I joke this.
You serious like a heart attack.
So that make you to run from inner the other. We under pyramids a long time.
I keep blind. That's why I want you to keep your eyes them open, brother. I know you're not fear it is, you know. It is fear you. Remember saying it's like a snake. Them attack first because of fear.
Over the pyramid.
And a joke thing in a Stone. I left the game for real, you know, brother. I've been through too much, dog. But I know say you have to still live on the jugglings. I want you to be smart. Not take nothing for granted. And if it is going to come for you, you know, and when. I'm sure no say I'm going to try out for me again too.
Godmother, I see you chap, you know. And me rate the governance. But some things have to get root out.
Yeah. But make sure say root you go for. Because you can't chop down a tree and think it dead. But yeah, what? This go beyond it is, you know. You know some of you say I spell you set it up.
You know some that pray that too.
Me need to know for sure, brother.
So how you gonna deal with this?
Me figure it out. In the meantime, don't move alone. You understand? Because me say it is a stack up over, so you know.
Yeah. Me say I have 2 rifles over there. And about 3 little dogs.
You know say if me did not godmother mode, would I go for them, right?
So them more them want in a man.
No man, Stone. You don't want to see me happy?
What kind of question that? Most rich and happy.
Well, me have somebody will make me rich in happiness. And just send your little blessings and your prayer and hold on the ground. Alright?
Anything you say, Godmother?
Or anything I say.
So I just I try and be tired.
Watch yourself, brother.
Yeah, them wide open.
Hello?
Last one?
What's up, Janelle?
Everything alright?
Yeah, man, everything alright. We're going to the baptism right now. Can I call you back later? You know, as a matter of fact, I'm coming over, okay?
Alright, I go look out for something.